Mukulu wa minister mu Uganda abiribini akarambura eshongudesi na mkolwa omumuyiwe Kampala amakangane ati abakasikola babiri bakakola shu bolobolo.
CCC stopped working. I asked sometime back there was traffic jam this side. I said let me go to this Kasumi Road. They are not on the side. You are not on the side.
We are on the other side. September.
Where is September? I did not find you there.
You were there before. This morning. We came here first because we are.
But the Prime Minister is saying not today. A few days ago she passed there. You had closed shop. You had packed your machine.
No, because this side we have finished.
Mwaka ulu aliyabungira eshombalu esya kenda kasamalera ngasina mukole bwa city mwaka kangana ya ati abo bakasikola hayima na katunga ke Kampala Capital City Authority babe bakatasha takamwe manine shonga kamulu omulangire ndishongoda esisi kahwa kandi shongoda esiri mumuyi owe Kampala omulumo okubanza banamutakola orudaluhikire kilomita 19 katondi munane naro kande eshongoda shusi sikatuliba wa ende ni kilomita 70 katondi 5.
So repeat what you want the Prime Minister.
Are we going to put traffic lights here?
Yes. What I had at that time was that by now we should almost be done, say like about 3/4. So I am actually disappointed, to say the least. I'm very, very disappointed. Because if you see what's happening, it's like they were given a contract just yesterday. So what's the problem?
I think idea that
Then this the Kirudu Road.
this is road. This is some contract that we doing in that area.
Is this road?
And he has 2 roads. In terms of performance, he has been struggling. On this one, he has promised that in the next 2-3 months, he will have put asphalt on 3 kilometers.
Where are the people you work with? Where are these Chinese?
They are coming, they are behind. But Honorable, according to the plan for this road, we are supposed to have done 12%. And now we have done 11.8%.
12% by when? By what time?
No, we came here with the president.
Yes, by the president. But you remember when we had the meeting in your office, that's when they gave us the
No, but since that time, I remember that was 2023 August. So since 2023 August, we're still dealing with us.
Not
This 2025.
we have worked, we had a lot of...
We brought the president to inspect this road. We were jokers.
Actually, if he sees us here and sees them, because they are not passed here again.
But when did you get this contract? It was in 2021. No, this contract is the consultant. That's when we...
Even when it is 2023, how can you have progressed only 11%?
But the plan was...
This road was supposed to help us under NAM.
Now, engineer, we passed here with His Excellency the President. We inspected this road. This road was supposed to be an exit for NAM.
Yes.
In the event of an emergency, we are preparing that Kirudu Hospital and we are preparing this as an exit. We passed here with the President.
This is a box culvert. When you go 10 meters down, that's where you meet the culvert. So this was covered the whole of this part. When we were here on the weekend, here what came with the rain, it was out there. But you see the
Alereri umakabina namukangania ende eshangudo mumuyiwe Kampala shabiri isikase ndibawana mbula yabikawa umwarendelende nerukande ebintu bimabe katsandalikana eshanguda shamatsandalikana nerukande senusu wangatasha tokerela bamusho omwatsi oyu alia sakawa hawe chinemba Rwenzoris TV.